The ORB strategy. Here is how it actually works. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist trading forex to form my music. And the goal for this year is $100,000. Simple. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. It does a lot for the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are far, far too kind. Now, this strategy, I'm saying it a lot. Everybody talks about it. ORB, 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 open range break, blah, 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 blah. Now, I actually tested it, and it worked sometimes and it did not work at times. And this is what I've learned from it. All right, now the ORB strategy is pretty straightforward. It's like it says the opening range break, right? So the opening range break simply means that when the market opens, that is either of the sessions, probably the New York session, London session, Tokyo, Sydney, any of the sessions, when they open, the very first candle, either the first 15 minutes, first 1 hour, or the first 4-hour candle, when it opens, you mark the high and the low of that candle and you wait, and then go to a lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, for example, or the 5 minutes time frame, and you wait. If price breaks above or below either of the ranges, that is the high or the low on 15 minutes time frame, and then it closes above that range, the theory states that the price would go up. Vice versa, if it closes below the opening range break, that is on a lower time frame, the 15 minutes closes below it, the price will go lower. And then I tried this. Now this actually works, but not every time. Of course, not strategy works every time, but this is what I learned. So a lot of times when the first 15 minutes candle breaks out, it will break out and then to quickly run back inside. So that's like a fake out. You understand? So it breaks out, it runs back inside. You know, so if you enter there and you set your stop loss, it takes your stop loss and then goes the other direction, right? So that's one thing I noticed about the open range break, the ORB strategy. But one way that I trade it at times is a little bit slower, but it gives you a higher win rate, is that when the candle breaks, I will wait for a retest of the range. So let me assume it breaks below. The 15 minutes candle breaks below and closes. What I do is I'll wait for a retest. So if it happens that the candle now comes back and retests it and continues going in the same direction, I'll now enter. The downside is it doesn't retest every time. Sometimes it just breaks and then pew, it's going. So I miss out on trades. But the good side is at times it saves me from more losing trades that come with using the strategy. But overall, guys, the strategy works. It's pretty simple, stupid, and if you are consistent with it, you can and will make money trading the ORB. One thing I would say is that I personally, when I use it for scalping. I didn't use it for like my long-term trades. Just when I'm, I would say when you just want to trade, like scalping. That's what I use it for. But it works. Not 100%, but it works. So if you're looking for a strategy to use that is simple, start with the ORB, and then you could apply these rules that I want to apply. If you're a risky trader, you can just keep trying. You see that you get winning trades using this strategy. Until I come your way again, keep trading, keep making money, keep getting better. Peace out. You know what it is.